Of course, you'll want to read this syllabus in its entirety, but I thought I'd make a little video and just sort of hit the highlights. There's a little bit of an information about the course description. This is a no textbook course, which means that all of the information that you need to learn is contained within the pages of the course. Assignments are shown in the course, and you can actually click on the Assignments tab to see the weights for the assignments that you've been given. As you can imagine, a discussion board grade is not as heavily weighted as an essay grade. And so different assignments contain different weights. Remember, however, that failing to turn in an assignment is a -3 points, and that will affect not only that value for those weighted assignments, but it will also affect your entire overall course grade. The main thing about that is turn in everything and study the information and turn in the assignment as it was assigned. The course is assigned in weeks, and it is assigned according to the beginning date for each week. The important thing for the district is that students understand that this is not a self-paced course. That would be a correspondence course. This is a course that methodically is set up and designed for you to develop your brilliance throughout the semester. Everything is designed for your success, and that is why I want you to go through the course, each page. Some pages are very short. Most pages contain a little tutorial for those of you like me who are visual learners. It's important that you go through the course and follow instructions on each one of the assignments. All of the policies in the course are listed in alphabetical order, beginning with academic honesty. I know plagiarism is such an important information piece for the district, and so there's a lot of information contained in the syllabus regarding plagiarism. Let's avoid that. Make sure it's your own original content. I'd want to take my class. I think these assignments are fantastic. They're creative, they're fun, they're learning, they're exciting. So please make sure that you do your own work, and let's don't have to deal with any of this information that's contained in the syllabus. I want to pause just a little second for this email policy. This link will take you to the government laws regarding what students can and cannot put into an email communication with an instructor. That includes any of your personal information. Remember, I'm going to believe you. You don't need to write an email telling me what's going on in your life. If you tell me you need 24-hour extension on an assignment, I'm going to believe that you need that. And we need to make sure that we all abide by these laws and make sure that we don't contain in any emails, communications, or in any discussion boards any of the information that's included in this PPRA law amendment. For submission of work in this course, be sure your name, course information, and date is contained in the upper left-hand corner. I'm sure you understand that I cannot possibly grade any document that doesn't have a name on it. And as far as the word count goes, the district requires students to write a certain number of words in order to have an authentic grade in the course. Believe me, when you write down your word count for the documents that you submit, we will far and well meet that requirement. But I need your help in making sure that you assess a point count to everything that you submit, except for discussion boards. Always submit a PDF except for discussion boards and a few assignments that are text entries. And always use Times New Roman 12 font. For essays, your title can be written in any font you like. You can be as creative as you like with the title of your essay that you are writing. Most essays require a title image, and you can find information about that in the page entitled "What is a Title Image?" and that will help you with that. Remember that the essays are all double-spaced, 12 font Times New Roman with 1-inch margins, other than the title, which can be any font you like. The topic that usually comes up is, what about late assignments? I know that the syllabus indicates that you may have one excused late submission. I also know that life is in session. Many of you have families and obligations and situations that come up in life, and you may need a 24-hour extension. That applies to most assignments except the midterm essay assignment test, as well as the final essay. There's no way I can extend the final essay because I'm giving you till the very last minute to get that submitted. If you need that 24 hours, you will email me 24 hours in advance with simply a 2-line email that just says you need that 24-hour extension. Now, remember, I grade every Monday. If you turn in your work on Sunday when it's required, it will be graded on Monday. You will have immediate feedback about your assignment, and your grade will be posted. If you needed that extra extension day, for whatever reason, which I understand and I would absolutely believe, that's fine, but your work will not be graded on Monday. It will be graded later on in the week. So keep that in mind as you move forward in the course. Prior to taking English 1B, you are required to have learned and demonstrated these skills that come from the district. I understand it may have been a hot minute since you last wrote an essay, but do look over this list of prerequisite skills. If any of these are a problem, contact that writing center, contact the tutoring center. All of those are free resources. This is not a beginning writing course. This is a literature survey where writings are based on prerequisite skills. Regarding the textbook, this is a no-cost, no-textbook course. Now, you cannot take this course on existing knowledge. There are skills that are explained in the course content that you will need to learn in order to complete the assignments effectively. So, make sure that all pages in the course are studied. And finally, remember that this course is designed for your enjoyment, for your study, and for your absolute brilliance. Please look over the rest of this syllabus and enjoy the semester.